Alright guys, you don't want to miss our newest video, jalapeno peppers stuffed with shrimp and cream cheese on the Blackstone. Guys, welcome to Fish Hook. My wife and I have a cool dish we're gonna do today. Honey, what do we got in front of us here?
All right, guys, see if you can guess what we're making. We've got cream cheese, jalapenos, bacon, shrimp, cheese, and we've got a molasses type.
Molasses, maple syrup, and organic barbecue sauce.
So we are making jalapeno poppers with shrimp in them.
Yes, stuffed with cream cheese and shrimp. And the kicker, we're gonna do it on the Blackstone Tailgater grill. So
awesome.
Stay tuned. Amy's gonna start cutting open. I'm protecting my hands. If you guys handle hot peppers, Italian or Spanish hot peppers, guys, danger, danger. Wear your gloves.
All right, everyone, so we are gonna take the jalapeno and we are gonna cut it open. But first, before we do that, I wanna let you guys know that you must wear gloves in order to get the seeds out. The seeds are so strong that they will burn underneath your nails and you will be in pain for like the first 2 days. So I learned the hard way. I actually dug out the seeds with my nails and oh boy, I paid for that. So please wear your gloves while you take the seeds out of a jalapeno. So right now I'm going to start a little bit under this stem and go down a little bit above the ending. So as you can see, there's my slit right here. So we have a potato peeler here and we are going to actually use the end right here to dig out the seeds. All right, this works the best. If you take a spoon, it's probably going to split your jalapeno. So here we go. And it's coming out now. These have a little bit of a bite to them, but you try to get all the seeds so that, you know, it doesn't burn your tongue. Okay.
And we're gonna rinse them out anyway after you gut them.
It gets it loose.
Good deal.
The potato peeler. And there you have it. You have your empty jalapeno that you can stuff with your cheese and cream cheese mixture, and then the bacon actually wrapped around it holds everything in. All right, guys, we just got done cleaning out our jalapeno peppers, and please, I want to stress to you again, be advised that these are very hot. The seeds inside of them. I took the end of my glove and something was on my lip. My lip is burning now. It also can bother your throat and your eyes. So I would wear a mask, your gloves, and goggles when you are cleaning out a jalapeno. All right, guys, I have my cream cheese in a bowl and I'm going to add my cheese, my grated cheese. Okay, and then we're gonna mix that all together. This way it's not gonna be falling out of your popper. So this will kind of bind it together, the cream cheese. This is a Mexican style cheese you can use for this. And then that was an 8-ounce bar of cream cheese. So look how it's coming together. This way it will not fall out. This prevents that. And guys, this came together so easily because we left our cream cheese out to get room temperature. Otherwise, I would have really been struggling to get this mixture together. So leave out your cream cheese so it's nice and soft and pliable when you throw your cheese in it. So there you have it. All right, we're ready to stuff our jalapeno, see? And then right here, we have extra large shrimp. They come in a pack of 21 count. They're awesome. We've tried them before, so let's go ahead and stick the cream cheese mixture inside of the jalapeno. Okay, and then we're going to put our shrimp right in. And the shrimp, by the way, are deveined, and that works the best. Actually, let's stick the shrimp this way so that the tail is down. All right, and there you have it. We're gonna stick a little more of our mixture on top of that to seal it off. And then we're going to get ready to wrap it in bacon.
All right, guys, this is the fun part now, the finale. We've got toothpicks here that were soaking in water, so now, because they're going to be going on a grill. So anytime you have wooden skewers like this, make sure they're soaking. Let me give you a disclaimer. I'm going to, like my wife, when she stuffed the jalapenos, she did not use any gloves. Wear gloves if there's a chance you're going to get burned. There's gases, protect your eyes and your hands. We've been doing this long enough. We know the chances we can take. Do not do this if it affects you. So here we go. First of all, this isn't just any old bacon. I mean, all bacon has fat, unfortunately. But this is good hickory smoked bacon, no nitrates and no nitrites. So it's as healthy as I could get. And to be honest with you, I never heard of a organic bacon. Let me get started here the right way. And we're gonna wrap this. This is a messy endeavor. It's all I can tell you. It's a very messy endeavor, and we need all these toothpicks, probably 2 to 3 per. I'm gonna need another one here. Wow, let's stretch this a little bit and get this thing covered. Okay, we're gonna take a toothpick. And we go there. I mean, just put them where you need them, guys. I mean, that's the bottom line. All right, that's all the way through. Well, it is now. Let's get this thing through. There we go. Okay, and what I'm gonna do with this, before it gets in here, we're gonna dip these in this sauce that we made. We're gonna roll them around in there is what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. There we go. It's gonna be a messy affair. Well, guys, the finished product.
Voila.
Oh, yeah. Stuffed jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and delicious shrimp, and our own homemade sauce over it. Oh, this is going to be slurpy. Right now, the Blackstone is heating up. We're going to do it on medium-high heat until this bacon gets nice and crispy and cooked. I think it'll be good. So we'll see you guys outside at the Blackstone. All right, guys, now we're at the Blackstone tailgater here, this combo grill, and we have cleaned out the lower diffuser plate. You need to do this as part of maintenance. And now we're going to spray good olive oil. This way I won't have my dish sticking to it. So these jalapeno peppers, wrapped in bacon. Bam! They're gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna preheat the grill right now. Gas is on. There we go. We're gonna put it on a low flame. And we're gonna let it heat up for a while. We've got the grill all heated up. Yes. Got a lot of sauce left over, so we're going to.
Smell that?
Oh, yes, I do. I'm interested in tasting it, yeah.
I don't want to smell it anymore, right?
No. This molasses and maple are going to do the trick. Then we'll flip these. Oh, wow. Who wants to come over for dinner? I'm extending the invitation. Oh, yes.
Is your mouth watering?
Oh, yeah. I gotta
Just don't drool on them.
I know, I gotta keep licking my chops.
Yeah.
This is a delicious molasses and maple syrup. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of goodness in this. A lot of goodness.
Well, look at these.
Oh, man.
I cannot.
Well, let me show you this. It's hot enough, yes. Are these not scrumdiddlyocious? And we're gonna dive into these. Oh, peppers or salt. We stuff these probably more than you should, but that's the fun of it. So we're gonna bring you in a little closer and we're gonna get a taste of this, and I want you guys to get a close-up. Okay, we are going to try, oh buddy, to control ourselves.
I know this is going to have a little bit of heat, but I'm going to try it. I don't mind spicy, but I know it bothers
We
me.
cleaned out as many seeds as possible, but jalapeno is jalapeno. Cooked nice?
Very nice.
Oh, well, that's all I needed to hear.
The pepper is definitely tender.
Oh yeah, you can cut it fork tender. Oh yeah.
That cream cheese mixture is awesome. And then, of course, the bacon. There's not as much heat as I thought, but
Did you
hot.
taste the glaze the way I tasted? That
Yeah.
nice flavor, the molasses and the maple?
Yeah, they are hot. But
Oh, what a nice
that
dish.
really did the trick. That's awesome.
Yes, we did it. Well, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from this. This is awesome. You can impress your wife this way, guys. Pay attention. Anyway, if you guys are new to the channel, thanks again for checking us out. I hope you like what you've seen. Somewhere up above us, there'll be a subscribe button. Love for you to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and be one of join our family at Fishhook of all our faithful subscribers. We just have a wonderful following, and it's the reason why we do what we do. This is so much fun for Amy and I to do, and we get a chance to test out so many new dishes. Well, we've got a bunch more coming. We're also going to have a series on dehydrated meals that you'll be seeing coming down the pike, and we'll do some reviews on dehydrators. So we're expanding out and trying different things to add different facets to the channel. Well, again, we're going to chow down. Don't mean to be in a rush, but we're in a rush to chow these down. They are delicious. And guys, I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you guys on the very next one.